back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the financial banking field. It doesn't require any kind of college degree, but if you've ever worked in a bank, like as a bank teller or anything, and you're looking to move away from having to go into the office and work directly with the public, and you want to work from home, these positions are great to transition to that. But of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company US Bank. They have 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a fraud and dispute intake specialist. Now, this is going to be remote work from home for the United States only, and they're looking for somebody to work second shift. But if you don't mind a second shift job, they're looking for somebody to process and respond to U.S. Bank customer inquiries utilizing multiple systems to provide information on accounts while answering every call with professionalism and accuracy. You'll demonstrate an interest in the customers and ask questions to resolve any of their concerns while understanding how U.S. Bank can help meet their financial needs. So these are customers that have accounts and they have fraud or they have disputes on a transaction. They feel like their account has been charged for something and they're going to be calling in. So this is going to be a customer service job. You're going to be taking their calls and presenting options to the customers to make their banking easier and convenient, answering all of their questions and intaking those disputes and complaints. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 18 months of customer service experience. So you don't actually have to have any banking experience. They do want you to complete some kind of training in CCU, email, or internet operations or fraud support, so you know how to handle sensitive information in a secure way. Other than that, you need to be a problem solver and be able to be a multitasker working with multiple computer systems at the same time. If this sounds like something that is meant for you, though, their pay is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $24.96 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.